Yo, YouTube, what's going on, everybody? My name is John Alexander. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have an unboxing of another unreleased Yeezy. So we're gonna get an early look at the new Yeezy 700 Mnvn. These are actually the black joints. So guys, stay tuned for the video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the unboxing of these joints. Now, the 700 Mnvn is actually the fourth version of the Yeezy 700. Now, these joints are dope. They're really close to, they do remind me of a combination between the V1 and V2, but it seems like the silhouette is a little higher of a cut. So if you wanna know what I'm saying, like, you know how like the Jordan 3s kind of have like a higher cut than your typical low top sneaker? That's what these kind of look like from pictures. But guess what? We're about to find out right now, because I happen to have these joints in hand. Now these are set to drop this coming Saturday, February 8th. So these joints are actually an in-store only release, which is kind of strange, but I'm digging it. It kind of creates a new hype, you know, surrounding this release. Something different that we're not used to. So hopefully that means this sneaker's a little more limited, just because it's kind of dope when you have a pair of sneakers that's not like a general release that you just see like commonly all the time. So it's kind of dope, especially for somebody that you know, rocks a lot of different Yeezys like me. So I'm a big fan of these. Now, I really love the orange pair. Those are set to drop February 28th. And these are dropping in store only. So yeah, these things are dropping in store only. There's a few different drops around the world, but these are very limited. I believe they're only dropping in the New York store here in the US. But go ahead and follow Yeezy Influence on IG if you guys want to get more details on that. But here's just a few details with the box. So y'all see the 700 Mnvn. Still have no clue what that stands for, but y'all see it. So I was blessed enough to be able to cop these off of GOAT. So I love the GOAT app. I actually picked these up next day shipping, so that's real dope. For $25 you can get a shoe shipped next day. And I actually live in Key West, Florida. So I think these came from like New Jersey or New York or something like that. So let's check these things out, guys. Yeah, right off the bat, seems like they have a slightly higher cut. But we'll compare these. I do have the Vantas actually right here. So yeah, these joints are dope. The material is real interesting. That's what I could say first hand. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about these joints. New Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the black colorway. Drop your feedback in the comment section down below, y'all. We got a first-hand look here on the channel at the new Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the black colorway. Now, With this sneaker, it's gonna keep the same sole that we're used to with the 700 line, referring to the V1 and V2 version. But the most major notable change here, as you guys see, they have replaced what's normally a leather or suede upper with this new, I believe this is a nylon material. Correct me if I'm wrong. So here's a little detail as y'all see on the back panel. Just a clean sneaker. So some people did question if these feature boost. Of course, you have the white exposed boost. And this is actually completely 3M. And this is a nice little touch too. Now, most notably, you also will notice with the lacing system is a completely new lacing system. So these shoes will not have to be tied. You could just slide these things right on. So we're gonna try them on feet here in a moment. So let me know what y'all think about the new 700 Mnvns. Copper drop, y'all. So in hand, these joints are fire. I'm really feeling these. I know y'all probably tired of hearing me say that, but I actually am selective. I don't cop every Yeezy. Now the thought process kind of that's going through my head right now is I already got the Vanta V2s, which are very similar to this. I do love how the 3M pops on these, making them stand out. And another factor, I do love the limited availability, which I believe these are gonna have a low stock as they're in-store only. So I'm liking those factors about these joints. Now, like I mentioned, I already got the black Vanta joints. And my most anticipated sneaker right now is the orange version of these. So what I'm kind of thinking is maybe if I just keep my black Vantas, let these things go, and then go with the orange joints and kind of be happy, or should I just keep these and the Vantas and just blow a whole bunch of cash? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think I should do. It's gonna be hard to get rid of these. I'm really feeling these joints right here. So let's compare these actually to the Vanta. Maybe that'll help me a little bit if we put these side by side. So I don't know, y'all. I'm actually feeling this nylon. My favorite part about these though is the 3M. And I can't really tell, but it does kind of look like these have a higher cut. But I don't know. Y'all be the judge. Check them out, y'all. Are you feeling the OG Vanta vibes? Or you like that futuristic new vibe? See, with me, like when it comes to Yeezys, I feel like the whole, kind of like the mission of the brand is innovation, technology. So I'm kind of like always feeling like the newer models. I'm always a huge fan when they drop something new. So it's gonna be really tough to know if I'm gonna keep these or not, but these joints are definitely hot. So important, y'all, leave your feedback. Let me know what I should do with these things. I'm probably leaning towards keeping them. But I don't know, yo, cause I need those orange joints for real, for real. I definitely need them orange joints. But yeah, y'all see it. Wanted to give y'all another look here on the channel. So we dropped, what was it, the Earth joints. Oh, and I did a giveaway on that. It's for the black version of this t-shirt in a medium. Matter of fact, I got it right here. So I'm gonna announce this. I'm gonna go live soon. Probably this weekend maybe, but I'll let y'all know. You'll definitely know when I'm going live. But when I go live, I am gonna announce the winner of this giveaway. So don't ever say I don't get back to y'all. Here's a little treat, appreciate every one of y'all. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to do this for y'all. So all you gotta do is check out my review on those Earth joints and you'll find out how you can win this. And I did another giveaway before that too. So we dropped the Earth early look, we dropped the Desert Sage early look, and then I got my third early look in a row for y'all. So if you haven't done so already, guys, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. That way I can keep giving y'all these early looks. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks once again, everybody. I really appreciate you guys, for real, for real. So thanks again, guys. So I'll catch y'all next time. Stay blessed, guys, and I'm out.